I'll now brief you on the situation in the mission area. Federation Establishment Committee Chairman Ettu has been captured by armed reactionaries. According to the criminal declaration of this armed group, their goal is to block the international conference and gain a huge ransom. Negotiations with these criminals aren't going well, so we've decided to free the chairman in our own way with a secret mission. The rescue of the kidnapped Chairman Ettu is a matter of top priority. We will enter from the perimeter, take control of enemy territory, and after completely securing the area, we'll swiftly rescue Chairman Ettu. That's our mission. Do not fail to rescue the chairman. Here's your next mission. Enemy patrol aircraft have been spotted in front of the Allied group. We don't want the enemy to be aware of our position at this time. Gargoyle, intercept immediately. Engage those patrol aircraft. After making your approach from very high altitude, shoot them down with long-range missiles. Your launch time is 1100 hours. That is all. We're counting on you.
This is a right nice one. She's got all we need, right? Off we go.
Locked.
Gargoyle 1, good kill.
Locked.
Right! Nice kill. Gargoyle 1, good kill. Gargoyle, clean sweep. No targets remaining. Mission accomplished. Head home immediately.